In today's episode, we've partnered with our friend Andrew Petcash of Profluence Sports on bringing you a guide to NIL that breaks down what it is, how it works, and shines some light into the future of this money-making change for college athletes. If you like what you learned, why don't you head over to petcashpost.com for even more valuable pieces and perspectives in the world of NIL and sports. Mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat them. If you take off the gas, you can see. Today, I'll be sharing a guide to NIL featuring the newsletter content, again, from our friend Andrew Petcash. I'll go over a quick NIL basic, strategies for success, the path to making money on NIL deals, finding deals and working with NIL collectives, and what the future of NIL looks like in 2023. Again, I'd love for you to tackle that subscribe button, give us a like, and why don't you hit that notification bell while you're at it. I always love answering your questions, so please feel free to write a comment below in regards to today's content or DM us on LinkedIn or Instagram. So, let's go over again the basics of NIL, and if you want to know more about this, we have a full video up above. But NIL stands for name, the athlete's name or nickname, image, an athlete's photo, both in and off the field or court, in or out of college uniform, and likeness is replica, a reproduction of an athlete's, think illustration, voice, NFT, brain language, etc. NIL is the newest money-making opportunity in sports, specifically for college and high school athletes. Recently approved in June of 2021, this change for students has the potential to allow them to make money from products or advertisements. We've discussed what NIL is more completely in, again, a previous episode, which I'll link again above. But I encourage you to check that out for a more comprehensive explanation. So let's start off. What are two strategies for athletes to succeed in NIL? I like the way Andrew breaks out two primary strategies for athletes to succeed with NIL. Mil deep, inch wide, and inch deep, mil wide. Here's what he's really talking about. Mile deep, inch wide refers to companies like Nike, Bentley, or Dr. Pepper. These companies have very deep pockets and a lot of money to offer athletes. However, the availability of these lucrative big business deals are slim. That's where the inch wide reference comes into play. Setting your sights only on offers from these types of businesses will limit your success rate. Inch deep, mile wide refers to a pool of thousands of companies, but those with smaller dollar offers. Not that these companies are any less important or valuable, but the strategy changes. See, a large company may offer a single athlete $10,000, but a smaller company or one that wants to diversify their offers may offer many athletes one of several $5,000 offers. Smaller sponsorships can stack up to make a significant income that may equal a single offer from one of the larger companies mentioned. Both approaches have pros and cons, and what might be the best for one athlete may not be the best for all. It's important to do your homework on any offer coming your way. Loving this content so far? Why don't you tackle that subscribe button, give us a like, and why don't you hit that notification bell while you're at it? So let's talk about the path to making money in NIL. The path to one or many NIL deals has to do with your social and community impact as primarily seen on digital platforms like Instagram, TikTok, your website, etc. Building up your following sounds easy, but takes time, attention, and consistency. Make the effort to build your audience, hone your message, and craft your personal brand. Think about your audience. As you grow your following and establish a presence with your community, brands and companies with the same archetype and or audience will take notice. Andrew gives us 8 ways to cash in. Social media. Think sponsored posts, affiliate deals, or brand promotions by an influencer. Media content. Podcasts, YouTube, and radio are ways to build and engage with your audience. A personal website. From here you can funnel your audience to your social media, your products, and provide access to content info. You could think direct to consumer, e-commerce, or kind of growing a business for selling your gear or product yourself. This can easily be done from your website if done correctly. You could have a subscription type system, provide exclusive insider content for a normal cost to your subscribers. Why not do a sports or fitness camp? Lean into your experience and skills by teaching kids and families for a fee. Appearance and autographs. Many athletes can gain a speaking fee by attending an event. Or you could get recruited. Staying active and relevant in your sport can warrant a scholarship to play. So how do you find a deal and how do collectives really work? Well, the primary way to find and sign a NIL deal is through an online marketplace. There are several available and need little more than a link to your social media account. Collectives or trusts is another way to secure a legal payment for your schooling. Here are 3 types of collectives Andrew writes about within his article. Matchmaker. This collective is designed to literally connect an athlete with a business. Donor. Based on a collection of money, this is a collective from boosters, fans, or supporters. And dual. A collective that acts as both a matchmaker and a donor. This type may not last as the school will have to police the funds being appropriated correctly. These are just a few ways to find or secure a NIL deal in this wild west of sponsorships. New options are popping up regularly, such as creative agency partnerships, blockchain or NFT solutions, NIL-focused media companies, and apparel licensing options, just to name a few. So with all that said, what is the future of NIL? After over a year of hype and acceptance, the future of NIL is expected to mellow out as state legislation continues to unfold. Although we are still early in the stages of NIL regulation, Andrew shares a few things to watch in the coming years. Expanded clarity in legislation, especially regarding coaches and agent entanglements. Brands and companies increasing and moving further into the NIL space. Did you know there's a reported estimate of $917 million in NCAA sponsorships awarded in 2022? How much more will gear these deals? Advanced contract structures like these we see in professional sports. How about high school inclusion? This is the big one on everyone's mind, along with what it will do to the future of college athletic career timelines and its impact into pro sports. We talk a little bit more about that in this video above. What do you think? Leave some comments to get in on the conversation. I hope this episode helps to demystify and offer some solid advice on how to navigate the world of NIL sponsorships. A huge thanks again to our friend Andrew Petcash for giving us the 411 on the guide to NIL and for letting us share his work. You can check out his full episode in the description. Again, I'd love for you to tackle that subscribe button, give us a like, and hit that notification bell. Now this is Zach with Creative, where business is our sport. I'll go blah, 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 erase, blah, blah, erase. Think direct to after